Look at this spot. We're at the very far end of the golf course here. It's closed for another couple months for the winter. How you been doing out there? It's me, Coach Vigue. You've been enjoying these workouts? I came out here, I'm like, let's do a new body weight core workout, which always addresses our entire bodies. These are very therapeutic for me. Yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of my dad's passing. So coming out here, Colorado wilderness, these little adventures with Addie is very, very therapeutic for me. Breathe the air, drink lots of water, and walk through the woods. And it's starting to smell like summer a little bit here too. You can smell it in the earth, that dry smell, or maybe that's just Addie. Okay, so check in below. Let me know how you've been doing this year so far. What else you'd like to see on this channel. I'm filming all the time for YouTube, for my online training programs, my apps, my collaborations, articles, books, everything. Oh, by the way, my next book, I just started writing it, is going to be a Yoga and Pilates for Runners book. Yoga and Pilates for Runners. So watch for that. All right. Comfortable clothes. We got a mat. Caddyshack references. We're on the golf course. Let's get to it, my friend. Okay, the sun's out, but it's always a wee bit chilly in the air. Cap comes on. How you doing? Let's begin with 10 Pilates planks. Forearms down, come to plank. Inhale forward, touch the nose on the index fingers. Exhale back. 10 times. Here's 2. 3. Get the blood flow. 4. Keep your abs tight on the exhales. 5. 6. 7, good rhythm here. 8, hopefully Addie will behave. 9, let me know if she does anything weird back there. 10, 5 breaths, take a wide plank. Forearms out to the edge, 5 breaths. I'm gonna do in the nose and out the mouth. It's up to you how you wanna breathe. Make sure it's going in and out of the nose or the mouth. Not a lot of other options there, unless your belly button is something fantastic. 2 more breaths. Okay, bridge pulses. Bring the knees forward. Oh my God, it's so beautiful out here. I want to sing a song. We'll do that afterward. Come on down, come on down. Feet hip width. Start by tilting the pelvis up. Let's do some lifts here. Inhale up. Exhale, pelvis is up, and we roll back down. I'm right in the sun. Good. Massage that spine. Get things moving. Exhale down. Oh, futzing with the crotch there. Okay, inhale up. And down. Bring the feet and legs a little closer together. Addie can't reach me. If she starts huffing, I'll have to get right back with you in a second. Let's do 2 more right here before we add a reach across. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower down, 1 vertebra at a time. Now we're gonna inhale up, reach across, and then come down. 10 times, here's 2. Up and over. 3. Good, I'm getting a little sloppy there. Let's do a little better. There we go, 4. Let's not waste this time. 5. And lift. 6, up and over. Nice stretch for the lats. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. Ooh, so good. And 10. Coming into the reverse single straight leg stretch. But first, lift up, mambo. Take the hips side to side. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, arms can be up here too. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll it down gently, gently. Now reverse. Single straight leg stretch. Take the legs out. We're gonna do 10 times. Imprint the lower back down. I forgot how to speak there for a moment. Shoulders back and down. We're gonna bring the leg in, stretch, and then it snaps right back like it's on a rubber band. Here's 2. Get that stretch, stabilize, and down. 3. Good. 4. Take it slow on the stretch, and then boom. 5. There you are. There you are. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. and down. Let's do 2 more times. Okay. Bring the leg in, come up, seated position, knee in roll-ups. Are we okay out here? Okay. No one trying to play through. Let's begin. Seated. Bring your right knee in. We're going to set it down, roll down, come back up, and then boom, the left knee comes. You can grab it if you want, or just pull right here. Leg down, roll it. Let's do 8 more, alternating. Grab or arms out. Squeeze those abs. There's 3 on the way to 8. Massage the spine. A lot of Pilates in here as well. There's 4. And 5. 3 more. A little breezy. Oh, is it breezy? There goes all my stuff. And boom, right there. I'm going to do an extra one. So we're going to do this one and 1 more. Sorry, things are blowing around behind the camera. I got a little distracted. Now we're up here. We alternate. Boom. Bring it in. You could keep the legs off the mat too if you like. Definitely more challenging. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Ooh, shake it out real quick. Shake it out. And bring it to half boat pose. Make sure your pockets are in. Feet can be flat or boom, bring them off the mat. We're going to do half boat to 3 push-ups. You can leave the push-ups out, just do a plank. That's up to you. Take an extra breath. Now transfer to plank. Cross the legs. We come around. Elbows into the sides. Tricep push-ups. We bring the feet back forward, back to half boat. We're going to do that 5 more times. Breathe. Push-ups. So that's 1. Good. You can take the legs all the way out if you like. Oh, so good. That's 2. We do 3 more. I'm kind of flirting here. Flirting between the 2. Okay. Keep your body parallel as you do those. 2 more. Are we okay? All right. And 1 more, each one. Very nice, my friend. Ooh, so good. Take an extra breath. 3 push-ups. And come all the way down. The shark pose to Superman. Shark to Superman. Bend the legs. Lace the fingers. We'll do 5 of these. Inhale, lift up. Engaging the lower back. Press the heels up to the sky. Take a breath. Now inhale, extend forward. Superman. Back to shark. That's 1. Open up. A lot of postural moves here. Open up your breath, your alignment, and forward. Okay, we're going on to 3. Press the heels up, perhaps lift the legs off the mat a little bit. Forward. And back. 2 more. Oh, palms together if you can. Superman. Superman, thank God. I mean, get him. Once more, Superman. Beautiful. Let's take it in the swim 10 times, opposite arm and leg. Inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4. Oh, dig in. 5. So good for athletes. Any sport you do, you got to add these workouts, these types of workouts. Okay. Press it back, child's pose. Give yourself a nice long stretch in the spine. Move the hands back and forth. Oh, boat crisscrosses into seated single straight leg stretches. I don't know about you, but it keeps getting better and better. Ooh, if you like this workout, share it with all your friends, especially your friends who love a challenge. Okay, bring it to boat. Uh-oh, the visitor. All right, 1 second.
Crisscrosses.
Okay, we find ourselves in half boat. 20 boat crisscrosses. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We start to get wobbly here. Take a deep breath. 5, 6, good. 7, 8. Make sure I breathe. 9 and 10. Well, let's do 10 more. 12. Really twist. 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 16. Good. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, back to half boat. Take a breath. Shoulders down. Now this one's a doozy. It's a seated single straight leg stretch. So come down. There comes my stuff. Get back over there. Okay. Real time. If this is too much, go back to this one right here. Bring the knees in like so. For the full one, bring your right leg up. This leg can be off the mat if you like. We're going to inhale, exhale, switch. There's 1. Be nice and tall. 2, 3, 4. Activate the abs. Lift. 5. 5 more times. A lot of balance. Any workout with Sean Vigue Fitness with me, there's going to be a huge amount of challenging flexibility training to keep us pliable and durable and adaptable. I may have lost count. 1 more time. Bring it up. Okay. Legs down. Take the heels to the outside edges of the mat. Spine stretch. Am I talking too loud? Okay. Or you can go a little wider. Let me move. Everything's starting to blow over here. God knows what I'm putting my feet into. All right. Shoulders are back and down. Exhale. Hinge. Lengthen in that stretch. Nice long decompressing spine stretch. Inhale. Rolling back up. Stack, 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 stack. Shoulders back and down. 4 more times. Draw the toes towards you. Inhale, rise up. And always recover that posture. Always come back to it. Lifting tall. 3 more. In the nose, out the mouth. Inhale, rise up. Noch 2 mehr. 2 more times. Don't mind me looking around, just checking the surroundings. Let's do it 1 more time, 1 more time. So we're open, and hinge. Inhale, rise back up. Finish with the saw. Heels to the outside edges. My dear old dad's favorite exercise. Shoulders back and down, arms out. Twist 10 times. Pulse, pulse, inhale. Think of reaching up and over. So we're always lengthening. Here's 4, 5. Lift tall, shoulders back. 6 and 7. Excellent. Can't wait to hear what you think of this workout, how you did. Always throwing in new moves. Every single one of my workouts are different. They are never exactly the same. I'm going to do 1 more so I can finish facing this way. Pulse, pulse, and shake it out. That's 10 minutes. How'd that feel? Feel good? Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment right now.
On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies. My Afternoon with Addie.